DJI looks set to make a serious entry into the 360-degree camera market, with a series of leaks over the past few weeks revealing key details about the upcoming DJI Osmo 360. Rumors have been circulating since late 2024, but now we have a clearer picture, literally, thanks to fresh images and specs that have surfaced online. The latest leak comes from reliable tipster Giadamer and showcases what appears to be DJI's first-ever consumer 360 camera. The leaked images reveal a sleek, compact device with two ultra-wide lenses placed on opposite sides of the body, designed to capture immersive spherical video. The camera also appears to include a small integrated touchscreen on the front or back, likely intended for live preview, settings control, and playback. Another notable feature shown in the leaks is an accessory mount, which could open the door for a range of add-ons, from tripod adapters to modular battery packs or audio accessories. While it's unclear whether this mount is proprietary or uses a standard fitting, DJI's history of ecosystem development suggests a full lineup of accessories could be on the way. According to the same source, the DJI Osmo 360 is expected to deliver specifications similar to the Insta360 X5, which was released in April 2025. The X5 is currently one of the top-performing 360 cameras on the market, boasting 8K video recording, dual 1.28-inch sensors, and a strong reputation for stabilization and software features. If DJI is aiming to match or beat these specs, it's safe to say they're taking direct aim at Insta360's market dominance. The timing of this leak is especially interesting, as DJI has been relatively quiet about its camera product line outside of drones and action cams. But a July 2025 launch window is looking increasingly likely, with multiple sources now reporting that the Osmo 360 is scheduled to make its debut next month. This aligns with other recent leaks, including a separate image posted by Quadro News showing the camera in what appears to be its retail packaging. That image matches the device seen in Giadamer's photos, lending further credibility to the leaks. So far, DJI hasn't officially confirmed any details about the Osmo 360, but the design and specifications being reported make it clear that this device is positioned to compete with the very best in the 360 camera space. Given DJI's track record with stabilization tech, image quality, and build design, as seen in products like the Osmo Action 5 Pro and Osmo Pocket series, it's highly likely the Osmo 360 will offer similarly high-end performance. Adding to the excitement, there are also rumors that DJI may unveil a second, smaller device alongside the Osmo 360, a compact 360 camera possibly named the DJI Osmo Nano. While details about this model are still scarce, the idea of a more pocketable, lightweight option would make sense for casual users or creators who need something more travel-friendly. Both cameras would likely benefit from DJI's growing suite of mobile apps and editing tools, which are already popular among drone pilots and action cam users. If DJI can extend that ecosystem to 360 content, especially with intuitive reframing, stabilization, and AI editing, it could give Insta360 some real competition. In short, the DJI Osmo 360 looks poised to be a major new player in the immersive camera space. With powerful specs, a clean design, and a potential July launch on the horizon, all eyes are now on DJI to see how it will reshape the 360 video landscape. Stay tuned for official announcements. We may not have to wait much longer.